to my channel. So today, being that it's one day from Christmas, I'm actually going to cook two meats. I've got a roast lamb here which I'm going to put onto the rotisserie, and I have a roast pork here which I'm going to smoke. So I've already took the liberty last night to actually marinate the meats. In my last video, basically you can see how I've marinated, or one of my last videos. It's the same ingredients I generally use for marinating. So if he's interested in that, just have a look at that. I'll also put it into the description below. So anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'll take off the lids here so you can have a bit of a visual of what I've done. So roast pork, as you can see, and the roast lamb, which has been marinating all night. So I'm going to take these straight out to the smoker and to the rotisserie, and we'll get started. So just what we're going to be doing now is we're going to place the lamb onto the spike, which will go out onto the rotisserie. We've got a lot of lovely weather, as you can hear in the background, on the lightning and stuff like that. So this, I brought my handy dandy assistant here, my daughter Tegan, and she's going to help us feed this onto it. So this is probably going to be completely funny because it smells good, doesn't it? So what we'll do is we'll get the meat out. So grab the meat out first, Teagues. All right, so I'm going to feed it through the front end. You keep over the thing there. Yeah. What we're going to do is feed it through and to the neck bit. Oh, you have to hold it hard. Oh, yeah. Right, force it through. That's it. Too flipping easy. Oh, it's leaving it there. So from here, we'll go straight out into the rotisserie. And periodically during the day, we'll be checking this plus the smoked pork that I've got going. And I'll speak to you soon. Okay, so it's now been in the oven for 2 hours, wrapped up. So what I'll do now is I'll take it out the wrap. From there, generally again, as I've said before, I would put it in for another, well, I should say I'd cover it again with all the flavourings and stuff like that. But I'm not going to do this because I've got the fat sitting on top of it, and that hopefully will moisten the meat going into it. So the next part of it, as I said, we're doing the 3-2-1 method. So the next part I'll be doing, we'll be going back out to the smoker, out of the wrap for another hour. I'll test and see if it's cooked. If it is, come out and the thing will be complete. So, and I'll see you when. Okay, so we've completed cooking the roast pork and the roast lamb on the rotisserie and in the smoker. They're not burnt. They may look like that. It's only due to the fact that I marinated them overnight. So once again, thank you very much for joining us again. Always remember to click like, subscribe, and click the little bell icon so you get notifications of future videos.